Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, this is Tejaswini. I share everyday meal recipes which can be prepared under 30 minutes. So today I'm going to be sharing beetroot pachadi. So without any further delay, let's get started. In a pan, I'm taking 250 grams of grated beetroot, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of water, give it a mix. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. This is almost cooked, looks great. While this is still cooking, in a mixer take half a cup of coconut, 1 teaspoon of jeera, small piece of ginger, 4 green chilies. Add some water and grind it to chutney consistency. This looks perfect. Add the paste to the beetroot and some water. Mix it well and let it cook for a minute. And switch the stove off. This mixture has to be completely cooled down. Now add a cup of curd. Mix it well and keep it aside. In a pan, I am adding 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 3 red chilies, 1 sprig of fresh curry leaves. Fry until aromatic. Let's add this to the beetroot mixture. Mix it well and it's ready to serve. Directly falling for the color and taste is another level. You can have this with rice or as a side dish. Please tag us on Instagram if you try it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and I'll be joining you guys in my next video. See ya!